What's good? Welcome to the channel. So my name is Black PoliTech, and today we're doing a quick vid on how you can install Python on a Windows computer. So what we want to do first is just go to python.org. In here you can pretty much find everything you would honestly want to know about Python. Later on when you're trying to learn like more specific applications or functions or things like that, literally go to documentation and it'll have a beginner's guide, developer's guide, whatever you need basically. So now we're going to go to downloads and we're going to go to Windows, since we're doing this on Windows. And when you look at the releases, you have stable releases and pre-releases. The pre-releases are the things that are like, basically newer updates that are still getting fleshed out and they're still in their testing period. That's why they're separate from the stable releases. So typically you want to just go with like the most recent stable release. You don't really need to worry about the pre-release stuff starting out. And then so I'm going to download the 64-bit package. And if you're ever trying to figure out, at least on a Windows computer, what bit your computer is, you just want to go to System Info. And it'll tell you right here, system type 64-bit. So that's how you know which one you want to download. Okay? So now we're going to do the 64-bit, and my bad, actually the embeddable package, I don't want to do that. You're going to hit the Windows installer right here. Boom, boom, boom. And so this takes a little minute, but I'll speed it up for y'all just so y'all don't have to wait that long. Okay, bet, it's done. So I hit the exe file, just right here from here. And then what you want to do is, what's it called? And then what you want to do is do install now, and you definitely want to add it to the path. This will be very helpful when you're downloading more packages and things like that. So definitely check add to path. It'll just make things easier down the road. And then so we're going to do install now. You don't want to do a custom installation starting out. It's just simpler, and you definitely want to have it installed for all users. If you're going to have multiple people on the computer, it just makes things simpler later. So setup was successful. We're going to close it, and if you look at, before we close it, look at this. We haven't installed the IDE yet, but if you look at it, it lets us know that in our terminal we can type Py to launch Python in the terminal. So let's see with that, and we can also launch it from the start menu. So we'll close this, and to make sure it actually worked, let's see. Alright, Python 3.9 64-bit. Let's click on it. Boom. And so it's in the terminal. It's a bit ugly. This is not a full IDE, but if you want to try something, let's do print. This is a standard one. Hello world. And we see that it printed hello world, and that's how we know it works. So in our upcoming tutorials, we'll talk about like what IDEs you can install so you don't have to be typing in a terminal like this. But yeah, you now have Python installed. So if this works for you, just try it out. Should be easy. If you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you're early in your tech journey, so I recommend you subscribe and like the video and join the VP family. We got a whole bunch of tech tutorials and interesting tech videos coming your way, so stay tuned for that. On this channel, we're all about making tech more fun and interesting. So if that interests you, please subscribe, hit that bell notification to be notified every time we drop a video, and join the family. We hope to see you. See y'all in the next one. Peace.
How many times do you want me to say this?